We've had a wonderful couple of days together in moving into places that we have not been before. Our favorite new discoveries are these. There is no limitation to the frequency of your desire. The higher frequency, however, does not assure you more satisfaction. It's the harmony of the frequency between your desire and where you stand that equals the pleasure that you will receive. And we give this to you because we think it would be helpful for you to get yourself out of that rat race and off of that treadmill of believing that you must find the next, and you must find the next, and you must find the next, that there's another level and another level and another level. Because you came into an environment that has the potential of producing any desire that is imaginable within you. And you have the resources to accomplish anything that this time-space reality can help you to conjure. Really, the work that you're wanting to do, it is the work that will satisfy you to the boundaries of this boundaryless universe. It will satisfy you every day and all the days of this physical experience. Your power is in your now, all of it, because your now is where you focus, and your now is where the source within you is focused. We think that you have forgotten, and we want to remind you that in this powerful now where you are focused, that the source within you is also focused on the exact thing that you are focused upon. When you feel like you are wanting to pray to that non-physical energy or beingness who will assist you, we want you to know that what you are wanting and what you are asking for is already fully understood by that source within you. So let your prayers or your requests be those that guide you as quickly as you can toward the vibration that the source within you is already holding. And we're going to say that again because we really want you to hear it. What you are asking for has already been achieved. That's what the contents of the vortex are about. And the source within you knows where you stand in relationship to this vibrational version that has already been achieved. So if you take your mind back from the idea of achievement, back from the idea of more requests, back from the idea more general, back from the idea that I need to know what to do, or I need to know where to do it, or I need to know who to do it with, back from the idea and into an attitude of appreciation about where you are. In other words, as you offer your prayers and you let your intention be to offer these prayers of appreciation, can you feel the difference? Rather than saying, what do I need to do in order to get more of what I want? Can you feel the power in offering your appreciation for what is already surrounding you? Rather than asking for the more money that you want or need, feel appreciation for the abundance that is. And as you achieve vibrational alignment with the abundance of that which is, you prepare your grid to allow more that you are looking for. It is the trying too hard that we were wanting to soften. You are powerful creators. You have come with deliberate intent. You've come with great purpose, and you have brilliant minds. And we want to applaud you for your willingness to walk slowly with us through laws and concepts, feeling the movement and the energy, even being willing to squint your eyes to try to see the energy in case it might be there. We find you a group that is resonant with the attitude of faith and trust, and we promise you that it will serve you extremely well. But the most significant thing that we want to present to you, specifically to this subset of a grid who has gathered with us in this co-creative experience, we want to say to you that the vibrational stance that you now hold is sufficient enough for you to begin to witness the evidence of many things over the next few days that you've been asking for. Watch for it calmly and not with any urgency, because it is certain that the evidence will be there for you. And as it comes, we want you to take full responsibility or credit for the perception of it, because that is the only thing that is necessary. We have enjoyed this interaction more than words can convey, not only because you have taken thought to a place that it has not been before, but because you have raised the frequency of your vibration into a stronger place of allowing, which means the satisfaction that we feel as we focus in your now, as you allow the specifics of what you've been asking for to flow into your experience, the satisfaction that you will feel, the yodeling down the canyons that you will be inspired to, we want you to know is us sharing that moment with you. Because you know, we've been in your vortex for a long time. We are really aware of what's in there, and we are aware of each new contribution that you make to it. It's not possible for you to separate your desire from our desire. Do you understand that? Your desire is our desire. Your desire has already been allowed by us. That's why we revel in it, you see. And as you find a little piece here and a little piece there that allows you to allow more of it, then the exhilaration that we all share is really mutual joy. Have fun with all of this. In many ways, we make far too much of it. Your children get it. Every morning when you wake up, look at the youngest one and say, "You're in charge." There is great love here for you. And as always, we remain in the vortex.